Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact a shop on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type etsy.com, and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. After that, you just need to go and log in to your profile or register to Etsy if you already don't have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So we have as you can see, categories in the top left corner. All of the categories are here. The search bar where you can search for all the things, gift mode, Halloween shop, home favorites, etc, etc. But now let's see guys how you can actually contact a shop on Etsy. First of all, sign in to etsy.com and you go to your account on the Etsy app, sign in and go to you. So basically you can do it by clicking on here. Then go to purchases and reviews, which is the first thing as you can see. Then select help with order next to the order. So basically I don't have any orders now, but be sure guys, when you have an order, it will be here and you'll have the option of an order next to the order. Select message seller. Then in the text box that appears, let the seller know that you'd like to return or exchange an item. Then at the end, just select the arrow icon or select enter to send. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.